So those who are offering nut flour, ragi flour, sattu flour or any milk mix powders in the animal milk, either it could be cow milk or buffalo milk, this video is for you. Don't skip till end. Hello parents, this is Vishnu Tejasvi, your child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So I know that after 1+ years, most of you have introduced cow milk or animal milk, buffalo milk for your baby. And mostly they'll not accept it because of the taste. So you end up in mixing any of the good taste food items, something like sattu flour or ragi or nut powders or any kind of milk mix powders, sweetened milk mix powders. So if you are adding this, then you are doing a mistake. So do you know that not all the milk mix powders or not all the combinations are good for the milk? Let me tell you the reason. First one is nut powders. Although the nut powders is very healthy and nutritious, but it is hard to digest. So whenever you are offering full fat animal milk for your baby, which helps in brain development, on top of it, when you are adding any kind of this nut powders, it will be very, very, very hard to digest for your baby, and then baby can get indigestion. So nut powders are not the good option. So ragi, sattu flour or any kind of millet powders or millet mixes. So they are rich in fiber or have more amount of fiber content. Usually that takes long time for the digestion. On top of it, when you mix the animal milk to it, okay, so it takes way long time for the digestion than usual, and it can cause indigestion. It can also cause gas. Store-bought cereals. So there are so-called healthy store-bought cereals. I don't have to mention the specific brand, you know that. So when you mix this with the milk, because of the high additive sugars in it, when it mixes with the milk, which has high fat content, and that gives lots and lots of calories, and it takes way long time to digest, and then baby cannot have any kind of next meal. It could be after 4 hours or it could be after 5 hours. Fourth one, adding excessive milk in porridges. So I usually recommend for the mommies, those who are introducing cow milk or buffalo milk, animal milk for your baby. So they start with preparing kheers. So kheers in the sense, they'll take any kind of a cereal, okay, and then they add lots of milk in it, like 200 ml, 250 ml milk in it, and then they cook it well, and it becomes to very less quantity because you have condensed it, and then you're offering that. For the very first few days or first few months, when you offer this thickened milk in any form for your baby can't digest it, and baby can get irritation also in the stomach, and then that might also leads to diarrhea or any kind of health issues. Don't do that. I think you might have also observed that when you offer this kind of key items for your baby will not have anything for 2 to 3 days, and you'll be frustrated. It's because it's very, very heavy. So what you can do in that case, just to cook the cereal with little bit amount of any jaggery or honey or coconut sugar or anything. Cook it with water, then add a little bit of 100 ml or 80 ml of full fat animal milk just for the taste, and then you can offer. This is kind of an introduction. Chocolates or flavored powders, cocoa powders or cacao powders or some brands which I don't have to mention. So when they mix it with milk, it gives super yummy taste, but it is very, very unhealthy for your baby because they add lots and lots of sugar in it. So this additive sugars spoil your baby's health, baby's gut system, baby's digestive system, and baby will be also addicted to this kind of a milk flavor, and baby can't accept a regular milk, and also baby will not have solids. And hope you found this video useful, and I really hope that you will not add anything going forward from now onwards in the milk, animal milk, and see you in the next video.